Hi friends, this is Excel Guru once again with a new Excel challenge by Shiv saxsena in a Excel Bazaar group. So we have to find the date and the amount have been done sales in different cells. Now I'm going to share a screen. Here is the screen. Okay guys. Now what we have to do means it's very logic. Okay. So already I did here. Okay. So like this, if date is there, so it has to be in date column. If number is there, I meant to say that sales, it should be in another column. Okay. Here zero is there. I can the output came zero. Okay, here zero. Now I will show you the way how we have to do. Right. See, first of all, we have to find the position of the date. So the common thing is that is on. Before the date, there is a on word is there. On with a extra space. On with extra space. I mean the on space date. But the date is in this format. Slash, not a hyphen, it's a slash. So you have to bring it like this. Done. See how I'll do it. First of all, what you have to do, set off what we have to do on space this one, comma, in this column. Right. So it will pick up the position where on will start. F9. Let's check it out. That starts from 1. The on word starts from 1. So what I'll do here, I will add plus 1 over here. Sorry, plus 1. Okay. Now, enter will give all the date format, but it's not a date, it's a number. Okay. Control Shift tilde. So it will give you like this. Okay. No need to worry. I'm here to help you out. How it can be the date starts from 3, but it's showing 2. So no need to worry. I will show you the solution here. F2, sorry. I pressed F1. What? F2. Now what I'll do here, I will do some logic over here. Okay, the logic trick I will do. Mid of this comma. How many characters do you need? Date always be a 10 characters. Okay, date always be a 10 characters, including special characters that may be hyphen or a slash. Right. So I'll press enter over here. It will show you like this. No need to worry. I will make it. Okay, it will show you like this. The dates came already perfectly. But we have to get this type of format. No need to worry. What I'll do here, in this place, in place of mid, and I mean say before mid, what I'll do, I'll show you the trick. That is right of comma 8 characters. Let's check it out. 8 characters, not 10 or anything else. It's 8 characters. Now I press enter. See, you can do it in so many ways. Let's try like F2 plus 1. It will convert into a date format. Control D. What I'll do here, I will go to a I can use shortcut for date format, that is Control Shift hyphen. No, it is this format. So what I'll do, short date. So simple. If you have any more doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. Okay. See, here 4, 5. Oh, what happened? What happened? 3149. Why it came 59 here? It has come 49. All right. One digit came extra here. Oh, okay. I did plus one here. Sorry. You have to use plus zero. I used plus one. For that reason, it is showing like this. See. Now it's perfect. Okay. What I did, I added one to the date for that it is showing next date. So you have to use plus zero or double negative date value. So many functions are there. Right. So many ways are there to do like this, but I thought this is the best way because it's very simple one. Right. Now, coming to this part. Okay, what you say this part? The revenue part. See how I'll do. Mid of, substitute of, what is the common delimiter space? Ampersand this one. Comma. And the old text will be the space, and I'm adding a new text that is repeat of space. How many times? 255 times. Why 255? The cell allows 255 and maximum 255 characters. For that reason, I'm adding 255 of extra spaces, close parenthesis. And starting number, what I'll do here, I will extract each and everything from the value, from the text, I mean to say. Okay. What is the way? One ampersand length of this. Okay. Close parenthesis, and close parenthesis into 255. The maximum number of times, comma 255. Not yet over. The solution is not yet over. If I press enter, it will give you C. So what I'll do here, I will do it trim to remove extra spaces. Right. Extra spaces are there. So I added extra spaces and I'm removing extra spaces. F9. See. Now perfect. Now what I'll do here, simply I use a double negative over here. F9. Where is the number? Number should be displayed. I think extra space is there. Wait a minute. F9. No, no, not like this. Wait a minute. I select and I press F9 to check F9. Extra space is not there. So it has to convert into a number. Okay. So what's wrong in here? Why it's not happening over here? F9. All values. Why? I also use the trim function over here. Wait. I will make it. I'm getting call. Wait a minute. I'm getting calls. So coming back to the formula, I use trim over here to remove extra spaces. Trim of this F9. See, all it will come like this. What I'll do, I convert this into numbers by using double negative. And automatically, it will, see what I'll do, F9. It has to come actually. What's wrong here? Everything is perfect. Now I use if error. If you find any error, show me the blank. Okay, F9, see, number key. Okay, you have to pick up that number. So many ways are there. You can use max, sum, large. So many ways are there. So I'll use max function to pick up that number. Close parenthesis, enter. 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. So what I'll do, if they want 0 as a text, not like as a number, then you have to use like this. If In this formula, if you find 0, then show me 0. That's it. You have to use logic. Okay. Again, you have to write that formula. Again, I'm using a formula. Okay, F2. 0. Okay, true. 0 for 0. Else, run the same formula. It will be a complicated. Okay. So I remove this one. Just for your sake, I'm showing this one. I'm doing this one. And thank you guys. Thanks for your support. And I'm using Office 365, so I don't want to. Actually, why I'm using Excel 2010 means maximum of people can do work in Excel 2010. I found that out of 100, 70 guys are using Excel 2010. For that reason, I'm sharing the solution in Excel 2010. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment box, or you can join in my Telegram group, which I'm going to post in this video description. Right, guys? Thank you, guys. Thanks for your support. Jai Hind.